Hello everybody, today we're going to be looking at how to upload your own font to Canva Mobile. At the top left side of the screen, we will have these three lines. We're going to click on that and then we have to click on Brand, Brand Kits and set up your brand kit. Here you scroll down till you find the fonts. Here we're going to click on plus to upload a font. Choose your files. You can search your own files here. I will click on my font. Yes, upload. Right now, hit back and then you can place your uploaded font here. Just like that. Hope that I could help you. Thanks for watching. Take care.